Right, we're going to lay out the kitchen. We need to bring some materials in. This is what the kitchen plan in your PDF that I've sent along looks like. We've got here a drawer base that's 18 inches wide, a dishwasher, a sink base that's 36, a base that's 21, so that has a door and a drawer. We've got a square corner that's 36. I'm just looking at the bottom stuff now. Your range is 2 foot 6¼ inches, if I remember correctly. You've got a 18-inch base here, and then we've got a refrigerator. The cabinet up above it is 36-14, so it's 36 by 14 tall. All the wall cabinets are 12 inches deep. All the bases are 2. It does have a fill strip right here, so it doesn't come out exact, and you have to put a fill strip in there. If I go look at this elevation here, you can see how the cabinets lay out. A double. This is a corner cabinet. Got a double, a single with the handle on this side. This is your corner cabinet. Drawers here, and the same thing here. You can look at the arrangement of the cabinets. This one, these both open toward the refrigerator. This one opens away from the stove. So we need to put some of these in. We've got a microwave up here, and this is a 30-14, so it's 30 inches wide, 14 inches tall, 36-14. If we put in the right refrigerator or the wrong refrigerator, we may have to go to a 36-12. We'll see. So print those off, take a look at them, have them handy. I do. And we'll go over to Revit. We have to add some content to the software. We had that corner cabinet. It is not in the casework with the software. I put it up on in your resources. So I did download it to my computer, so I went up to Insert, and it says Load Family. I'm going to go to my C drive, and I have a folder on here for this summer class. Way at the bottom, I know I have that base cabinet, and I also have a refrigerator that I placed up there that we can load. I'm going to use the control key, grab both of them at one time, open it. This is a one-time upgrade. It'll tell you it's bringing those parts in. And what we're going to do is place the cabinets along one wall, then I'll stop so it's shorter, and we'll place the cabinets across the other wall. So we'll look at some things there. Then maybe we'll look at some bedroom and bathroom fixtures. We also need to load casework. So if I'm going to work with base cabinets, here's the base cabinets. We had a 3 drawer. There's a 4 in here. And there's a built-in, that would be for a built-in oven. But I want that 4 drawer. The base corner, that's the one. No, I'm sorry, we don't want that one. We want the 4 drawer. The base cabinet, double door and 2 drawers. We've got a couple of those, I believe. Here's a base cabinet, double door sink unit. We have one of those. Here's a filler strip that we can adjust if we have a space. Here's a base cabinet single and drawer, and again I'm holding the control key down. Base cabinet single door with sliding drawers. So that would open up and slide out. If you want one of those, you could possibly put that between the refrigerator and the stove and put cooking sheets and stuff in it. Here's a single door base unit. There are vanities down here for the bathrooms. So I'm going to open that, say open. All those have become part of the software, and they show up over here under casework. Refrigerator probably shows up under, well, I'll find that in a few minutes so we'll know where it's at. So I'm going to start with that corner unit. I'm going to come up here and zoom in, and here's base cabinet. Let's see, square corner. I'm just going to grab it. Now, whoops, I'm going to hit the plus sign, and it shows the different sizes. I need a 36, so if I grab the 36, pull it out here, I can set it right in the corner. Now I'll push escape twice. This window's not quite in the right spot. That's okay, we can move it around. As we move it, the dimensions change. I need, according to the sheet, a 21-inch base unit here, a single door base unit. So let's find one. Cabinet, single door, 21 inches. Let's grab it, drag it over here, and we can set it down. If I select it, I can use the align tool. If my circle stops spinning, and say align to this edge, the corner cabinet, align this edge. If I want to, I can lock it, then it'll stay there. I'm going to cancel twice. I'm looking at the cabinet here. I don't know which way those doors run, if the hinge is here or there. We can adjust that in a few minutes. I need a sink base. So here's the base, double door sink, and it's a 36-inch sink base. If you wanted to, you could go a little bit wider because there is room. When I go over here, I mean, you do have a little extra space here that this or this could be wider. So you have some leeway there. But I'm going to bring the 36-inch base unit in. Escape twice. Use the align and say to this edge, this. That window is actually pretty close to where it needs to be. I could slide it over. It should be centered over the sink, or the sink base unit approximately. Window could be smaller if I wanted it. I need a dishwasher in here, so I'm going to go to Insert, Load Family. I can't remember if it's in mechanical or plumbing. Let's see, plumbing, MEP, equipment, nope, fixtures, appliances, yep, so it's in. Let's do this again. Under US Imperial, it's plumbing, so there's P for plumbing. MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing. It's under, was it equipment? No, it was fixtures. Appliances, there's a dishwasher. And so now I have over here under plumbing, there should be a dishwasher. Set it down, push escape twice. I don't need two of them. If I select that, this is the front, that's the back. I'm going to rotate it with the rotate tool so I can pick up there and drag it over here, and then I can move it. I'm going to move it from that corner to that corner. It sticks out there. The dishwasher does stick out past the front of your cupboards. And now we need a base with drawers, a drawer base. So casework. Where are we at here? Cabinet, single door, and drawer. We want two drawer. Here we go. At the top, 4 drawers, 18 inches. Grab it, pull it out. Set there, escape twice. I'm going to go up to view, the view pull down or the view ribbon, and do over here elevation. And I'm just going to go into the kitchen here and put an elevation marker down and push the escape key once, twice. When I touch that square, I can turn on other elevations. So what this does is turn on cameras. So if I click this, that's what that camera is looking at. I go back to first floor. Here's that camera. If I don't want to look all the way over there, I can pull this in, maybe so I just see the edge of the door. This one here sees not much right now. It's seeing the wall and down the hallway. That's kind of confusing. So when I go back to the first floor, I might take this one and pull it over like that. So now when I look at that elevation, this is what I see. I see the kitchen. So we're going to come back in a few minutes and look at this other wall, the stove, and some other appliances.